In this video, we're going to look at one of the reports which you want to execute weekly on a weekly basis. So we go to transaction SUIM. We go to change logs, change documents for users. Okay, so you want to make sure number of users created on a weekly basis. Okay, so click on the week, create the users. Okay. You can also incorrect logon, right? That's also one more parameter you want to. Okay, so that will show you anybody who has been logging on multiple times and incorrectly resetting their passwords. Okay, so execute that. You can see this. Okay, this many users were getting created. Okay, you want to closely watch this created by. Okay, to make sure if you are using a CUA system or if you're using GRC, then users should only be created by the GRC user ID, not by anybody else. Okay, so you want to make sure you track that to see if there is any unwanted users being created, or this could be a cybersecurity risk because you don't want to be caught off guard by users getting created in a system which you do not know. Thanks for watching the video. Please click on the link below to download a step-by-step SAP cybersecurity tool. Thank you.